Welcome to our tutorial on electrical settings part 2 in Revit. In this session, we'll continue exploring the essential configurations needed to optimize your electrical system. In the previous tutorial, we discussed wiring settings, voltage definitions, and distribution systems. Today, we'll focus on conduit settings, demand factors, and load calculations. Let's start with conduit settings. You'll find several essential options to customize your conduit layouts, such as conduit fitting annotation size, the prefix before the conduit size, the suffix after the conduit size. Additionally, you can adjust the size of symbols for conduit rise, drop indications for both single-line and double-line representations. We also have size settings, which allow you to define conduit sizes with their outer diameter OD and inner diameter ID, ensuring accurate modeling of space and capacity. Now, let's explore load classifications. Load classification in Revit is a feature used in the electrical discipline to define and organize electrical loads based on their type, function, or purpose. This classification is critical for electrical design, as it helps engineers manage and analyze power distribution, calculate loads, and ensure compliance with codes and standards. To configure load classifications, the first step is to create the appropriate demand factors based on the type of loads in the project. Once the demand factors are defined, you can access the load classification settings to create load types and assign the corresponding demand loads. This process ensures that electrical loads are accurately categorized and calculated, supporting efficient system design and documentation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Revit tutorials.